Today we are going to discuss about how to download QGIS and which version we have to download. Generally, QGIS is an open source software which is used to create, edit, update, and analyze both spatial and non-spatial data. And we used to do some analysis, and also we used to create some maps also in this QGIS. So let us see how to download QGIS. In Google, just enter QGIS and press enter. Search for QGIS. You will see an option like download QGIS. So click on that, and you will see the installation downloads for different types of OS, like download for Windows, download for Mac OS, and download for Linux, etc. So in this Windows also you will see two types of releases, like 3.16 version and 3.10 version. So in each version also you will see two different things like 64-bit and 32-bit. So if your PC is 64-bit architecture, then go for 64-bit, and or else go for 32-bit. So just click on 3.16 64-bit or 3.10. But mostly the latest version will have richest on features, but this version is not that much stable. So it is preferred to go for most stable version. So then choose for 3.10. Just click on that. You will see a file downloading here. So just click on the downloaded file here, which I have already downloaded. So just click on that. So you'll see a pop-up here. So click on S and click on next. Click on I agree, and the destination folder will be the C drive, program files, and QGIS 3.16. You can also change it as your desire, and the space required is 1.8 GB space. So click on next, and you can also select the components, optional components, like North Carolina dataset, or South Dakota or Alaska dataset also. So basically this QGIS is enough for our location and for our analysis. Just click on install. So here the files related to the QGIS 3.16 version will be stored in C drive, program data. So Microsoft Prowler, Windows, in this path. So click on finish to complete the installation setup, and then go to Windows and search for QGIS. You'll see here QGIS app. So click. So you'll see here QGIS Desktop 3.163. So just click on that. So this is the basic interface of QGIS. So if you see left side bottom, the second one, which is named as layers, here we will find all the layers which we will develop or which were imported from different sources. Like if you imported from the total station or DGPS, whichever thing, the data will be shown here. The file name will be shown here, and these are the different options. And if you want to add a layer or create a layer, you can see those options in layer option. So in add layer also we have different options like add vector layer, add rastered layer. We can also download different plugins. So by clicking manage and install plugins, we can download and install various plugins depending upon the application or analysis. And we can also use the tools which will like you can use the CAD tools also here by downloading some plugins. So this is how we'll download QGIS uh, 3.10 standard version, most stable version up to now. In future, if the version was updated, like if you got any 3.18 version, it may be a new version which reaches features, but the stable one will be 3.16. They will code there which will the stable version and which version will have more features. So better go for stable version. I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood how to download and which version you have to download regarding QGIS. And